Hi everyone, I am Datta. I am building this business from Vijayawada, and my sponsor is Jagdish Reddy, and my coach is Nageshan Chitra, and my mentor is Deepak Ketiki. Today I am introducing you to the range of artistry products presented by Amway. The reason we choose artistry for among all the products available in market is it will give true and best results to our face and our skin, because artistry brings you the products has analyzed more than 32,000 faces around the world to develop custom beauty solutions that meet everyone's individual concerns. One product and our products that artistry products are valuable, that only not only specifically for oily skin, dry skin, natural skin, and etc. It is not about the targeting one set of people who are suffering with the problem of skins, and it is not only personalized to one set of particular people, and it is personalized to everyone range of products into some categories, and from Nutrilite organic farms and every corner of the world, artistry curates the most effective, powerful, and pure ingredients to deliver that deliver clinically proven results. For more than 50 years, artistry scientists have combined ideal ingredients in precise amounts using exclusive technologies and formulations that raise the phenomenal results for artistry products. And coming to the artistry range of products, these are having some categories. In essential category, artistry essential category is a range of products goes on from cleanser, lotion, toner, moisturizer, etc. And from next category, artistry ideal radiance, it will give brightens to skincare. And next category, artistry youth extend. Youth extend enhances the ability what the skin to withhold the properties to make the skin glow. And next is artistry signature select. It is preferred. It is preferred for the professionals who are facing cameras and light pollution, and these people are particularly select this signature select. And anti-aging also it is more helpful. And if coming to the next category, intensive skincare, artistry intensive skincare, which it helpful for create clear the tans, that means our skin tans, and who are struggling with aging and exposure of sun. So for these all these types, the intensive skincare is most helpful. And next category is some artistry supreme alex. It is having only two products which empowers skin act like as an 50 years younger age. It is effective, most effective product. And coming to the next category, artistry has products to men as well. It includes some day cream, cleanser, lotions, and moisturizers, etc. And it has some different categories, and these are all the categories in artistry. And artistry is having a separate website, that means in our website, Amway website, artistry is having some separate solution for which skin it is most helpful, the artistry products. So they designed a format for several people, because they are doing 50 years artistry scientists are doing exercises on this, so they can easily find out the solution for you. We can go Amway website, and artistry in web page. In that web page we can fill the whatever questions they are artistry is asking. It gives better solution to improve your skin as well as our glow in our skin. So that's all. Thank you.